What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Google Drive on your PC or your laptop. So the first thing that you want to do is to go on a browser, then you're going to search for Google Drive download. And as you can see here, the first link that has appeared is the downloading link for Google Drive. So let's click on it. Then what you want to do is to just click on download drive for desktop. And as you can see, Google Drive setup is now downloading. So all we have to do now is to wait for it to download. After it has been downloaded, all you want to do is to double click on it and open it. Then you're going to click on yes. And here at install Google Drive, what you want to do is to click on install. But before you click on install, take in account that you can add an application shortcut to your desktop by checking this box. If you don't want one, you will leave this box like this. Then you're going to click on install, and now the installing process has started. And as simple as this, you just installed Google Drive on your PC. Then what you want to do is to click on launch, and now you can enjoy Google Drive on your desktop. And what you want to do here is to sign in on your account or to create an account if you don't have one. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.